Pittsburgh International Airport, light rain was falling.
God, what is it?
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Beaver,
Oh, no.
Butler, Greene, and Washington, and the following counties,
Oh,
in West
no.
Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monroe County in east-central Ohio, southeastern Harrison County in east-central Ohio, Jefferson County in east-central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County in east-central Ohio, eastern Belmont County in east-central Ohio, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southwestern Butler County in west-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Allegheny County in
Oh,
southwestern
70-mile-an-hour wind.
western Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Ohio County in
70-mile-an-hour
northern West Virginia,
SVR.
Northern Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, northwestern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Calcutta to near New Martinsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. Source, trained weather spotters.
Oh, trained weather
Trees
spotters.
snapped and uprooted. Power outages can be expected. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Ross Township, Wheeling, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Moon Township, Whitman, Steubenville, Washington, Franklin Park, East Liverpool, Aliquippa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 215 and 225. Interstate 70 in West Virginia between mile marker 0 and 14. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 24.
Oh, maybe if your message wasn't over 2 minutes long.
Anyway.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 215 and
State college issues.
225. Interstate 70 in West
Oh
Virginia
my
between
God.
mile marker 0 and 14. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 24.
Dang.